Welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Good to be with you. Christmas is still more than a month away, and yet I can already feel it. The air is different.
Same here. Lights in shop windows, early playlists, people smiling a little more. The atmosphere is arriving before the calendar. So let's follow that feeling and open today's secret.
Today, we talk about holidays, Christmas, New Year, and the soft spirit of home. We'll share stories, traditions, and easy English you can use with friends and family.
When the season approaches slowly like this, I like to prepare the mood, not the shopping list. A candle, a cup of tea, a short message to someone I love.
I start with music. One song and the city changes in my head, and the phrases start to appear. Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Happy New Year.
Small lines, big smiles. You can use them at work, in a cafe, with neighbors. Have a wonderful holiday season. Warm wishes to you and yours.
Since we still have time, let's talk about plans. What will your celebrations look like this year?
Quiet and close to home. On Christmas Eve, we'll light candles, make a simple dinner, and call my aunt. We always watch a movie we know by heart and say one thing we're grateful for.
I love that. We'll decorate the tree together and bake cookies that look like tiny clouds. After dinner, we take a walk, breathe the cold air, and look at windows with little trees. Even from outside, you can feel the warmth.
Traditions make life feel safe. My favorite is the first light. I turn on the star at the top of the tree and whisper, "We made it."
For me, it's writing cards by hand. Short messages like wishing you peace, thinking of you, hope your new year is bright.
And when you invite people, simple English works. Would you like to join us for dinner? Come over for hot chocolate. Let's watch a holiday movie on Friday.
If you're visiting, thanks for having me. Everything looks wonderful. Dinner was delicious. Thank you for the warm evening.
And the classic gift line, I brought a little something.
Plus the language of love after dinner. I'll do the dishes.
Food is a language of its own. What's on your holiday table?
A family salad that appears only in December. Bread that makes the room smell like home. And a chocolate cake that disappears in 15 minutes.
At my place, we make a winter soup and add oranges to the plates, little suns for the table.
Hosting phrases are simple and kind. Help yourself. Would you like seconds? Save room for dessert? Take some home.
We promise stories. I'll go first with my most memorable Christmas. It wasn't perfect. My grandmother was in the hospital. We thought we would cancel everything. My mother said, "Let's bring Christmas to her." We carried a tiny tree, one string of lights, a ribbon, and a cookie on a napkin with a star. My grandmother smiled and said, "This is enough." We sang a quiet carol in that small room with beeping machines and midnight nurses. I learned what Christmas means. Not big, not loud, just love that shows up.
Thank you for that. I can see the room.
Every year I send a card to the hospital. Thank you for your care and your kindness.
My most memorable Christmas was the year the power went out. No lights, no oven. We found candles, wore our warmest sweaters, and made sandwiches. We told stories and hummed carols. Snow fell outside. Late at night, the power returned, but we didn't turn the lights on. The candlelight made everything soft. We wanted to keep that feeling.
Holidays also mean travel for many people. Airports, stations, long lines. Useful English helps. What time is boarding? Is this the right gate? Could I change my seat? Where is baggage claim? My suitcase is missing.
At a hotel, I have a reservation. Could I check in early? Is breakfast included? The room is a bit cold. Could we have extra blankets?
In shops? Do you have this in a different size? Could I have a gift receipt? Is there holiday wrapping?
And the magic words all month. Please, thank you, excuse me, happy holidays. December is busy, kindness is unforgettable.
Gifts can be simple and thoughtful. A letter, a punted photo, a candle, or even a promise. I'll cook dinner next Saturday. Let's take a walk on Sunday.
I love experience gifts, a museum day, a concert in January, coffee at a place with old chairs and good light.
Add a note. You matter to me. Thank you for being here this year. You make this season brighter.
Short lines, big hearts.
New Year comes quickly after Christmas. How do you like to greet it?
Quietly, I write 3 things I learned, 1 I loved, 1 I hope for. No heavy resolutions. 1 gentle practice, like call my dad on Sundays, or walk after lunch.
I write a letter to my future self. Dear me, please remember to be gentle.
For our listeners, here are easy New Year questions. What are you looking forward to? Any plans for midnight? Do you have a tradition? What was the best part of your year?
And for simple toasts, to health and peace, to new beginnings, to family and friends, to the year ahead. May it be kind.
The season also brings memories of those we miss. That's part of the atmosphere, too.
Yes, sometimes a chair is empty. We say their names anyway and tell one small story. She sang the loudest. He always burned the cookies. She wore a red scarf. He danced with the dog.
Saying the name keeps love alive.
If someone you know is grieving, gentle English helps. Thinking of you, I'm here for you, take your time. Please let me know if I can help.
I once left a neighbor a thermos of soup and a note. No need to answer, just love from next door. She kept the note on her fridge for a year.
We promised holiday movies. What's in your cozy list?
For laughs, Home Alone. For heart, The Holiday. For quiet, It's a Wonderful Life.
I love Little Women and A Charlie Brown Christmas.
Films can be gentle practice. Subtitles on, a cup of tea, and write down one phrase you like.
Tiny lines perfect for December. I'm happy you're here. It's not perfect, but it's ours. This is the good part.
Decorations?
Simple lights and one funny ornament. A small wooden bird with a hat.
I have a cookie ornament with a painted bite. It makes kids giggle.
Decorating gives easy phrases with children. Pass me the ribbon. Careful with the glass. Let's put the star on top. Turn the lights on. Wow, that's beautiful.
And with guests, come in, make yourself at home. Hang your coat here. Can I get you something to drink? Help yourself. Make a wish.
Music sets the room. I like a simple playlist. A few classics, a little jazz, one song from a movie.
Keep it quiet enough for conversation. Silent night when candles are lit. Jingle bells when we need a smile.
Hosting in English is just clear timing and kindness. We'll start around 7, come anytime after 6. Wear something cozy. No gifts, just you.
And the next day follow-up. Thank you for last night. It was wonderful. Great to see you. Let's do it again soon.
Traditions can be playful too. We write gratitude on small cards.
We write wishes and tuck them under the tree. On New Year's Day, we read them aloud.
For a listener celebrating far from home, you can carry the holiday with you. A tiny ornament, a candle, a call with family, a simple meal with new friends.
The language of welcome helps anywhere. Join us. We saved you a seat. You're always welcome. We're happy you're here.
December turns strangers into neighbors.
One open door at a time.
Let's practice with a tiny holiday elevator chat.
Hi, happy holidays. Are you staying in town this year?
Yes, staying close to family. How about you?
Same here. We'll cook at home and watch a movie. If you need anything, knock on our door.
That's kind of you. Thank you. Have a wonderful Christmas.
You too. Enjoy the season.
Short, simple, warm.
Quick phone call to a relative on Christmas Eve.
Hi, I just wanted to hear your voice. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We miss you. We're thinking of you tonight.
Thank you. I'm lighting a candle and sending love.
We feel it. Sleep well. Talk tomorrow.
Good night.
And the New Year moment?
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to health and peace,
To new beginnings,
to family and friends.
to all the small lights.
Ah, perfect.
Before we close, a word for anyone who feels alone this season. You are not invisible. If your table is small, it can still be warm. If your budget is small, your kindness can be large.
Send a message, bake simple cookies, share a walk, say, I'm thinking of you. That sentence can change a day.
And if you need comfort in English, today is hard, but I'm taking it slow. I'm grateful for small things. I'm proud of myself for getting through this year.
You've done more than you think. So here we are, still more than a month before Christmas, and yet the spirit is already here.
We feel it too. We're getting ready with quiet hearts and open doors.
We're looking forward to the holidays with real excitement. The lights, the letters, the small traditions that make a home.
Thank you for listening, friends.
If this episode warmed your heart, please like the video. It really supports the show.
And subscribe for more cozy, real-life English.
Take care, enjoy the season as it slowly arrives, and see you soon.
We can't wait for the holidays.